my name's Tegan. I'm here with Jacob's Trading. I'm one of the owners. If you haven't heard of us before, make sure you check out the description below. That's all we have for you today, guys. If you like what you saw, no.
I don't like it.
So as you can see, this one is a much brighter, almost into an orangey kind of color. This one's that smoky citrine kind of, no.
Smoky.
Smoky, I know, I said that really short. It's a rock.
All right, so in summary, elements are your basic building blocks. Minerals are made out of emeralds. All right, so in summary, elements are your basic building blocks that make up everything. A real word out.
So these are the tools you're going to need for the process. You're first going to need your butterfly that you're going to be working with. You're also going to need a butterfly board. These guys are made out of styrofoam that you can either make yourself or you can already buy pre-made. What the fuck? Why?
So in today's video, we're going to be covering how to do things like this little curl at the top and the swirls, decorative pieces, how to go around it, all the little decorative parts on there, and the sounds down. Blah, 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 blah. That's all I have for you today, guys. Hope you enjoyed our video on some more amethyst facts. If you like what you saw, be sure to hit that like button. Am I actually pointing in the right direction?
They also come in a few different varieties, so you can get different ones around your house. They also produce, I don't like that. Why did I say also?
That one's new.
That one's new.
To start, we're going to be talking about where the word opalite came from. Back in the 50s or 60s, this word was initially used for things that are called... Now we're going to move down here and talk about some real opals. So we have a few different examples that we can show you, and they come from all over the world. The main deposits, though, are from...
Hi, I'm Ryan, and I'm here. It's from Jacob's Trading, and I'm here to talk. I'm saying I'm here. What? Nah.
It's been a while since you did one of these.
Yes.
Yeah.
Finally, we're going to talk about everyone's favorite plant. The best way that I have found to control thips. These little guys can be extremely damaging to plants, as my voice is gone. These guys can be extremely damaging to your plants as they will scrape and suck at your plant juices. So the tools you're gonna need for today's project are